आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है। हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है। Oh. So that was the track I was listening to today, but I won't be doing that. I'll be continuing with the album. मैंने प्यार किया. It's a Sunday and I'm back on Rohit AG Tom Wandering Stallion on YouTube, and also you can subscribe to me over there on YouTube, and also you can listen to the track on Star Maker MID 6211-250-9526. My voice has improved in recent times. Just before I start doing karaoke, a few tracks, a thought on the mind about people, mostly I'm talking about people in 25, I'm talking about people from the age group of 25 to 40 touching or just above 40. And it's my observation, it's my personal observation. People who are in the age group of 25 to 30, they tend to behave very strangely these days, especially with people who enter the 30s or are 35 plus, or even with people who are entering 30 plus or 35 plus or 40 plus. They don't know how to address you. It's okay, it's ideally you should call people in the 30 or 35 or 40 as by the name, and it's okay if you call them sir, ma'am, but sometimes you will hear a 25 plus calling 30 plus or 35 plus or 40 plus even like uncle, auntie. That's so funny. I never take revenge. I tend to reply back by saying sir, ma'am, that's okay, but there's a sense of courtesiness which is missing. There's a sense of, when we were 25, we were very careful how we need to address people, and that's what is probably missing in today's 25 plus. I don't mind anyone below 20 or just above 20 calling me whatever, but it looks funny when someone above 25 addresses you inappropriately. But that's a fact of life, and they tend to think that people are old. No, it's a new young. 30 plus, 35 plus, or 40 plus is a new young, because they have the experience of life to handle life, to face them, and help the people in the 25 to 30 with move together. So that's what I observed in general. It was Diwali period, and definitely I'm now looking forward to Christmas and New Year. And there were a lot of things happening in my town. As I said, Diwali was there. Then there was few melas also, clubs also. A lot of things are happening. A lot of moments happened in my life. Celebrated Diwali, a bit of a down, sad time as well. And a very important another thought which is on my mind today is about life in general. I basically believe I don't need people now. People who are not a part of your life, not closer to you when you are sad. There's no point of having those people in your life when you are happy. And say, if in future again something sad happens with me, I wouldn't treat people. I don't need to run after people. Yes, I want to talk to people, I want to stay in touch, but I won't run after you, because now if a sad moment comes, I know how to handle life alone. I don't need people. Yeah, of course you want few friends, and that I have, and a special one that probably I might have one day being a single. But yeah, I won't run after people, because people who are not there in your sad moments, there's no point of having them in your good moments. And then in case another sad moment comes, you don't need those people. So that's what life teaches you, and that's why I love animals also, which are amazing people. Another thing which is very important is history. History will give you pain. Living in the present is the hope. People tend to live a lot in history. This happened in the history, this happened in the history. Is that happening today? No. Listening to, reading history is fine, but following history or judging people on the basis of history is going to kill you. So listening to history is okay, but at the same time, living in the present is so very, very important, because that living in present is the hope of life. So Diwali was good, was okay, and I'm looking forward to hopefully good things stay at my place and people, and I'm looking forward to Christmas and Diwali as well now after Diwali. So Diwali is also like a new year for us. Let's start karaoke, and I'm continuing with the same album Maine Pyar Kiya. Last time I did Antakshari. I'll be doing a track now. Hopefully no Bluetooth connections get lost, and this is a live, like not a live, it'll be posted in a few minutes time, but I never stop when I'm doing a YouTube session. So hopefully I don't face phone issues. Hopefully no one calls me in this period. Even if someone calls, this session will go on. I might talk to that person also, but hopefully there's no calls, but music might stop in that case. But it's a natural hobbies which I tend to do. Here I go. It's from the movie 1989 Maine Pyar Kiya. Did you enjoy watching Indian Idol this time? आते जाते हंसते गाते सोचा था मैंने मन में नजर, हल्का सा असर करता है क्यों इस दिल को बेकरार। रुक के चलना, चल के रुकना, ना जाने तुम्हें है किसका इंतजार। तेरा वो यकीन कहीं मैं तो नहीं, लगता है यही क्यों मुझको बार बार। यही सच है शायद मैंने प्यार किया, हाँ हाँ तुमसे मैंने प्यार किया। आते जाते हंसते गाते, सोचा था मैंने मन में कई बार। होठों की कली कुछ और खिली, ये दिल पे हुआ है किसका इख्तियार। तुम कौन हो बतला तो दो, क्यों करने लगी मैं तुम पे एतबार। खामोश रहूं या मैं कह दूं, या कर लूं मैं चुपके से ये सीखा। यही सच है शायद मैंने प्यार किया, हाँ हाँ तुमसे मैंने प्यार किया। That was यही सच है शायद मैंने प्यार किया, आहा तुमसे मैंने प्यार किया। So I need to post it on the app. यही सच है शायद मैंने प्यार किया। The most funniest question which anyone can ask anyone is, what is your salary? And of course, what is your age? And that's where things get disturbed. Age is just a number. And whenever, if you ask me my age, I'm a 1990s kid, a young 1990s kid. So I was a small kid when 1990 started. So, but if you ask me personally, I will only say that, and I will only say that I'm 27 by soul. That matters. So, but yeah, this is a very. I never ask anyone the age or what they're earning. That's a very strange type of question here. There's no point of asking those things, yeah. Which is like, and even cracking jokes on that is so funny, man. So that's what it is. मैंने प्यार किया. First try. The second try I didn't actually last time because it was the Diwali feel, and this time I did this one. Yeah. Next one, there's one more I will do, and this is really a beautiful one. Second and the last one. There's so many of you must have listened to this track, and it's very universal track which I'm doing here. Here I go. Nothing to say about it, just start singing, and after that I'll be coming sometime later, someday. Reality show people are very well behaved. Oh, दिल दीवाना बिन सजना के माने ना, दिल दीवाना बिन सजना के माने ना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना। धक धक डोले तूत डोले बिन रहना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना। दुनिया मांगे अपनी मुरादे, मैं तो मांगू साजन। हो हो हो, दुनिया मांगे अपनी मुरादे, मैं तो मांगू साजन। रहे सलामत मेरा सजना और सजना का आंगन, इसके सिवा दिल रब से कुछ भी चाहे ना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना। Oh, 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 la 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 la. Oh, 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 oh. जिए चाहे बना के आंचल तुमको लपेटूं तन पे, हो हो, जिए चाहे बना के आंचल तुमको लपेटूं तन पे, कभी ये सोचूं मैं उड़ जाऊं तुमको लिए गगन पे, और भी कुछ है दिल के इरादे क्या कहना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना। दिल दीवाना बिन सजना के माने ना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना। Amazing track sung by an amazing singer from, I think, the south of India, S.P. Balasubramaniam. I really loved that guy's that legendary voice, and a beautiful movie, Maine Pyar Kiya. So I took around 17 minutes of your time today. So subscribe to me on Rohit NG Tom Wandering Stallion, and also you can follow me on the Star Maker and my ID 6211250956. Actually, and these two tracks which touched me from this movie Maine Pyar Kiya. So I will have to look at a few more tracks from this movie if I feel like I can do them, or I really. But these three would be the top favorite of this very movie. Have a nice Sunday evening. It's time for me to wander, maybe somewhere out, maybe in the evening. And someday or another, I'll be back for the subscribers on YouTube and also on the Star Maker app. And usually on Star Maker app, sometimes I see a lot of requests coming up, people wanting to join into a tracks. It's just a Star Maker app is properly like both the apps, Star Maker app and YouTube. I just started when it was a peak COVID period, so there's no particular intention of going anywhere or trying to sing out as well or do hobbies outside, because as I said, I've observed a lot about this age thing, and I don't like even anyone asking me about that because that's the funniest question. But yeah, that's not the main reason, but it's like my and since I've opened YouTube, that's why I'm doing it. And since there are subscribers, and I'm not promoting it much now, I'm not even posting on my stories now much. I'll be just posting the post that I've done a hobby on YouTube, and people who have subscribed can go there and see the premiere there and can listen to it. So have a nice Sunday evening. Be back again and a line of both the tracks today. Dil deewana bin sajna ke mare na, ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना, आते जाते हंसते गाते यही सच है, शायद मैंने प्यार किया, आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है। हो बाय बाय।